Good morning. Look how amazing this is. I'm so blessed. The sun just blaring right there. To be able to just walk here, to feel the sunshine, to see the sunshine, is such a blessing, honestly. That people actually underestimate the sun. I mean, when you really think about most people going on holiday, why do they go? They go because of the sunshine, right? They want to go to the beach. They want to get away from the normal lifestyle. Why do they want to get away from the normal lifestyle? Because they're not living their best life. And also, when you get away from your normal life, most people live in a city, right? Surrounded by buildings, by skyscrapers, surrounded by technology, 5G towers. So what happens to everyone's mind when they go on holiday? They reset, right? They start again fresh because they can go to the beach, they can get into shorts, into a bikini, they can get into the ocean. The salt water nourishes our mind, nourishes our body. It's very healthy for our skin, detoxes our gut, our digestive system. When we spend more time outside than we do inside, that's when everything in our mind, everything in our body actually resets. I remember saying to myself when I was younger so many times, oh, I'm sick of this, I'm sick of living this way, I'm sick of not having enough money to be able to do this, and I'm sick of being in debt, and how did I even get here, and I can't even take care of my mum, and I can't go on holiday, everyone's enjoying their life and doing this. And I remember just getting so sick and tired of being sick and tired of doing what I was doing that I had to just evolve, right? And because I got myself in such a deep hole, I had to do that so many times. It wasn't like I made a few little mistakes here and there, got into a little bit of debt, and was like, all right, I'm sick of doing this shit, I'm gonna fix my life. I did that, and it was almost like an onion effect, where I was peeling the layers off, bro, and it was fucking so disgusting and so uncomfortable. It tested me in every single way. That's why it took me so long to get over, to get out of debt, to get my mental health in the right place after all the traumatic incidents that happened. And yeah, it just made me think about it now to really self-reflect on how much it humbled me and how much I genuinely value my life now and how generous this universe actually is, because I could have literally just gave up at any moment and just became a crackhead or something, or just drank my way out of everything like my dad used to. And I just realized that I don't want to be like my dad. I don't even want to be like a lot of the people around me. What I do want is to be the best version of myself, and I'm just going to go on a journey, and that's exactly what I did. And here we are today.
Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue. That's what she say. She look good. She a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad.
So we just analysed GBP USD this evening. As you can see here, there's not been any trades available in New York session for us. There's been a move in London here and then here, but that was a smart money move. And then there was no sign of reversal or even an opportunity for continuation for our strategy. It's just breakout traders and retest traders that got in, and yeah. So this is just an example of when we stay away from market. Plus it's also Monday, so the market's just open. It's took a previous weekly high, previous daily high, and it's rolling over to sweep the liquidity from Friday lows as well. So we'll monitor this going into Tuesday, and we'll see if there's any potential opportunities there. So until then. Time to go Muay Thai this morning. Let's go wake up the boys. Wakey, wakey, boy. Wakey, wakey. We're going Muay Thai, not to the beach. Well, you're not coming?
Very humbled today after the Muay Thai session, because it just made me realise that I'm at a stage of like conscious incompetence, which is basically knowing that I don't know, and now I have to get to conscious competence where I need to keep practicing and remembering all the different technical moves, because when I was sparring one of the trainers at the gym, he just outplayed me, bro. He just outsmarted me, and every time I kicked, he was always knew that I was going to kick, and every time he kicked, I didn't know that he was going to kick, and he just really humbled me, knowing that I don't know, you know. And like I was saying to you before, there's a lot of things that I know I'm good at, and that I've been able to evolve and get better at. But Muay Thai, because it's such a new thing, and these guys have been doing it their entire lives, it just really opens your mind to really be humble and keep your ego outside the gym and outside the door, because otherwise you will get humbled, and that's just how the cookie crumbles. So
that Muay Thai session was so heavy. I've just been asleep and had a nap for like 3.5 hours. What? That's when you know you put in the work. When you go and do a 2-hour Muay Thai session and it puts you to sleep for 3 hours. That's how we do.